Okay, guys, welcome to the Monday direction video. Again, quiz day today. So if you're in class today, you'll be taking the quiz. Um, if you are not in class today, like let's say you're a full distance learner, or if you're a Tuesday, Thursday person, then you are just going to take the quiz tomorrow. So if you're a Tuesday, Thursday person, if you're a distance learning person, or if you're a temporary distance learning person, you're going to take the quiz tomorrow and I will assign it to you. Okay, so it will just pop up. So right now, nothing's on there. If you are not in school today, what you're going to be doing is continuing on with the review guide and continuing to study. So use today wisely. Work hard today so that tomorrow the quiz will be easy for you and you'll get the score that you're looking for. Um, so that's all I can say about that. So make sure you're just studying through, guys. The Monday, Wednesday people who are in class today will take the quiz today. And then on Wednesday, we're just going to move on to chapter 3. All right, so quiz day today for in-class people, study day for people who are not in the building. That's pretty much the directions, guys. Like I said, each one of these goes with our, just go with our PowerPoints. So make sure you just have the PowerPoint up and you're kind of just filling them in as you go. And again, make sure you use the key colors to help you out. So like on some PowerPoints, it's white, some it's green, some it's red. Just make sure you're writing that information or typing that information in here. There's some questions from the videos that we watch, so you kind of double dip on points. You get the points for watching the video, and then also I put some of those questions on the test, so you double dip. Also, I guess it's a reverse double dip. If you don't watch the video, it burns you. You don't get the assignment done, and also you don't get test questions right. So if that's you, maybe go back through and check them out, watch them, so you can be ready to go. That's it, guys. I'll see everybody later on today if you're in class. Otherwise, for the people at home, I will see you guys Tuesday. All right, talk to you later. Make sure to mark that you are here, obviously, in the attendance piece. See you later.